Britney Spears made a rare public appearance in Los Angeles this week, that even had A-listers gasping. The recently freed pop star was seen at the starry San Vicente Bungalows members-only club with her new husband, Sam Asghari, as well as her CAA power agent, Cade Hudson. A spy tells Page 6 exclusively of Spears' appearance, "It was a total showstopper at a place that is accustomed to seeing megastars." The source adds, "It was weird. Everyone stopped talking as Britney walked in and through the crowd to her table. In the room full of heavy hitters, she was seated near Monica Lewinsky and Impeachment, American Crime Story star Sarah Paulson, who were dining together, we hear." A few tables away was Steph Curry, who also looked in awe, an insider says. Curry is coming off his latest NBA championship with the Golden State Warriors. Spears, 40, hasn't been appearing in Hollywood circles much since her 13-year conservatorship was dissolved in November 2021, but she has been bearing it all online. She posted selfies this week from a London hotel room in which she struck sultry poses wearing nothing but a cameo necklace and a turquoise leopard print thong. Some of the snaps included superimposed heart emojis over her exposed nipple. Spears tied the knot with Asghari, her boyfriend since 2016, in June, and she danced in a diamond thong after the ceremony. San Vicente Bungalows is known as Hollywood's most exclusive private club. Its owner, Jeff Klein, bought the Jane Hotel in the West Village in February to create a Big Apple outpost, SVB NYC, but rumor has it that the hotspot won't open for another 2 years. The West Coast Club is known for cracking down on any leaks from inside its walls. We previously reported that loose-lipped guests and members are banned for dishing on what goes on at the place. Watch out. Reps did not comment.